Hey guys, Jim here, working on the Elsinore 500. So working on the rear shocks right now. So these are shocks off of a 2012 Yamaha quad off the front, and they were the closest thing I could find to what I needed. And what I was looking for mainly was things like high and low speed compression adjustment, rebound adjustment. Anyways, had to do a lot of machining to make them fit. And first thing I had to do was narrow out the shock mounts, both the top and the bottom. And you can see I narrowed them out all to one side, so the shock mounts are a little bit offset. And the reason for that is once I get the spring on, I wanted to make sure I could clear the chain. I don't want the chain chewing up the shock spring, so I had to offset those a little bit. And then I had to remachine the shock body, and the reason for that is the stock Elsinore springs, you can see there, are smaller in diameter than the springs that came on with these shocks. And here's the stock shock body off the Yamaha quad, and you can see, yeah, it won't fit in there at all. So I had to remachine this guy smaller diameter so that the shock spring would fit. And then it was quite the mind exercise to figure out how to get the correct amount of travel out of it. There's more to it than just shortening the shock shaft. Had to shorten the body as well, shorten the shaft, and there's a ratio between this length and this length, and it took a little bit to figure it out. But I got it, and gives me about 10 inches of rear wheel travel, which is pretty good. And that's it for now. Talk to you later.